Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So here is round 2 for me at Walgreens this week. These deals started on Sunday, nope, we're not in December. These deals started on Sunday, October 10th, and they are good up until Saturday, October 16th. But before I get into these deals, if you are new to my channel and you are not currently subscribed to me, I would really appreciate if you will go ahead and click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload new videos. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into these deals. Okay, you guys, so in this transaction, I used a digital booster, get $10 in Walgreens cash when you spend $50. And I also had a paper booster, get $8 in Walgreens cash when you spend $35. I used all digital coupons. My out of pocket was high, but as always, as you guys know my rule, if I do have to spend a high out of pocket, as long as I get that back plus some extra, I'm okay with that. And then also on this transaction, I just had 2 issues. 2 of my digital coupons didn't come off, which was a total of $7 in digital coupons that didn't come off. So that made my out of pocket $7 higher. But let's go ahead and get into the deals. Okay, so starting out, I went ahead and I grabbed 2 of these Gillette foam shave gels, and these are buy one get one 50% off at Walgreens this week. They are regularly priced at $2.99. So you will purchase one at $2.99. Your second one will be half off at $1.49. So $2.99 plus $1.49 is $4.48. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive a $4 registry reward. So you will pay $4.48 out of pocket and you will receive back a $4 registry reward, which I did receive right here. So $4.48 minus this $4 registry reward, that will bring your total down to just 48 cents for both, or it makes each one just 24 cents. I am stocking up on this week at Walgreens because this is just a really good deal to do. And then next up, I went ahead and I grabbed 2 of these Colgate Total toothpaste, and these are priced at Walgreens this week for $3.99. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive a $5 registry reward. So I purchased 2 of these at $3.99, and that brought my total to $7.98. We do have a $4 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $7.98 minus that $4 digital coupon, that brought my total down to $3.98. And then since I purchased 2, I did receive back my $5 registry reward right here. So with receiving back this $5 registry reward, that made both of those toothpaste completely free, plus a $1.02 moneymaker. And then I also went ahead and I grabbed this soft soap body wash along with this Irish Spring charcoal body wash. And both of these items are priced at Walgreens for $3.99. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive back $5 in Walgreens cash rewards. So you're going to want to purchase 2 at $3.99, and that's going to bring your total to $7.98. We have a 50-cent digital coupon on the Walgreens app for the soft soap, and we have a 50-cent digital coupon on the Walgreens app for the Irish Spring. So that's a total of $1 in digital coupons. So $7.98 minus the $1 in digital coupons, that will bring your total down to $6.98. And then when you purchase 2, you will receive back $5 in Walgreens cash rewards, bringing your total down to just $1.98 for both, or it makes each one just 99 cents. And then I went ahead and I decided to do the Edge and the razor deal again. So with the Edge shave gel and the Skintimate razor and the Schick Intuition razor, the deal is when you spend $15, you will receive back $5 in Walgreens cash rewards. So I went ahead and I grabbed this Edge shave gel. I grabbed this Schick Intuition razor. And then I grabbed this Skintimate razor. So the Edge shave gel is priced at $2.99. The Schick Intuition razor is priced at $8.99. And then the Skintimate razor is priced at $5.99. So total for all 3 products, that's going to bring your total to $17.97. We have a $1 digital coupon on the Walgreens app for the Edge. $3 digital coupon on the Walgreens app for the Chic Intuition, and then we have a $4 digital coupon on the Walgreens app for the Skintimate razor. So that's a total of $8 in digital coupons. So $17.97 minus the $8 in digital coupons, that will bring your total down to just $9.97. And then when you spend $15, you will receive back $5 in Walgreens cash, which I did receive. So $9.97 minus that $5 in Walgreens cash that I received, that brought my total down to $4.97. But then when you check your IBOTTA account, IBOTTA does have a rebate for the Edge, and it is for $1 back. So I did get $1 from IBOTTA, bringing my total down to just $3.97 for all three of these items, or it makes each item just $1.32. And then next up, I grabbed this Colgate Cavity Protection toothpaste, and this is priced at Walgreens for $1.79. We do have a $2 digital Colgate coupon on the Walgreens app. So $1.79, and using that $2 digital coupon, that makes this toothpaste completely free plus a 21-cent moneymaker. And then lastly, I went ahead and grabbed a package of Tide Pods, Tide Liquid, Charmin tissue, and then Bounty paper towels. So the deal with those items are that they are priced at $4.99, and the deal is you will receive a $6 registry reward when you buy 4. So you're going to buy 4 items at $4.99, and that's going to bring your total to $19.96. We do have a $1 digital coupon on the Walgreens app for the Tide Liquid, a $1 digital coupon on the Walgreens app for the Tide Pods, 25-cent digital for the Charmin tissue, and then a 25-cent digital for the Bounty paper towels. So that's a total of $2.50 in digital coupons that I used. So $19.96 minus the $2.50 in digital coupons, that brought my total down to just $17.46. And then when you buy 4, you will receive back a $6 registry reward, which I did receive that $6 registry reward right here. And with receiving this $6 registry reward, that brought my total down to $11.46 for all 4 items, or it makes each item just $2.86 each. So now let me go ahead and show you all my receipt. So as you can see, both of my Gillette were gonna buy one get one 50% off. Both of my Colgate at $3.99, so $7.98. My soft soap at $3.99. Irish Spring at $3.99. Skintimate razor $5.99. Bounty paper towels $4.99. Charmin tissue $4.99. Tide liquid and pods at $4.99 each. My Edge shave gel at $2.99. My Chic Intuition razor at $8.99, and then my Colgate Cavity Protection toothpaste at $1.79. So right here where it says coupon purchase, this is for the paper booster that I had. Get $8 in Walgreens cash when you spend $50. My $4 digital coupon came off for the Skintimate razor. The $2 digital coupon came off for the Colgate Cavity Protection. Both of my $1 digitals came off for the Tide Liquid and Tide Pods. My $1 digital for the Edge shave gel. Both of my 50-cent digitals for the Irish Spring and the soft soap. And both of the 25-cent digitals for the Bounty and the Charmin. So as you guys can see, my $4 off of 2 digital coupon did not come off for the Colgate, nor did my $3 digital coupon come off for the Chic Intuition razor. So my subtotal came out to be $49.66. It should have been $42.66. So I did use my Walgreens MasterCard to pay for that. Of course, as always, my PayPal debit card, the money that I have in my PayPal account, is going to pay this card off. That way I did not have to actually spend anything out of my pocket. And then when you look down here, it says earned this visit. I did earn back $30.72. So of that $30.72, $5 came from the Irish Spring and the soft soap. $5 came from the Skintimate and the Edge. $10 came from the digital booster that I had. Get $10 in Walgreens cash when you spend $50. $8 came from the paper booster that I had. Get $8 in Walgreens cash when you spend $35. And then the other $2.72 came from the extra Walgreens points that I got, along with my $4 registry reward for the Gillette shave gel, my $5 registry reward for the Colgate, my $6 registry reward for the Bounty and the Tide, and then I did get back that $1 from IBOTTA for the Edge Shave Gel. So again, my overall total, oh, also, and I got back my $7 from customer service, the $4 for the Colgate, and the $3 for the Schick Intuition razor. So again, my subtotal came out to be $49.66, and in rewards, I got back a total of $53.72, and that is including the $7 that I got back from customer service. So with that being said, that made this entire transaction completely free, plus a $4.06 moneymaker. So this was a really good transaction for me, you guys. And as always, if you don't want to spend the amount that I spent out of pocket, feel free to use registry rewards or whatever you have so that you can have a lower out of pocket. But this is what works for me. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please, please, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section what you all have gotten this week at Walgreens. And then also, guys, if you are not following me on Instagram, I am going to have my Instagram linked in the description box for you guys. My Instagram, I'm on my way to 600 followers, so I am super excited about that. So if you are not following me on Instagram, I will have that linked in the description box below, and I would really, really appreciate if you guys will go ahead and give me a follow over there. Don't forget to submit your receipts to Fetch Rewards. I did submit this receipt and I got back, I think, 25 points. I don't think I had any eligible offers, but I did get back 25 points just for scanning my receipts. So if you are not using Fetch Rewards, I will have that linked in the description box below, along with my code on the screen for you. When you sign up using my code, you will receive 2,000 points, which is $2. Also, if you are not using IBOTTA, I will have that linked in the description box below as well, along with my code on the screen for you. When you sign up using my code, you will receive $10 when you redeem your first rebate through IBOTTA. So again, that is going to be it for this video, you guys, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.